Clean brows. Remove oil, makeup, dirt effectively. Apply lifting, perm solution. Brush hairs upward in a sweeping motion. Protect your eyes by applying some drops of protective eyewear. Cover your face with a tightly fitting plastic wrap. Leave the plastic wrap on for about 5 to 8 minutes. Carefully remove the plastic wrap, making sure not to cause any damage to your skin. Apply a fixing, neutralizing solution to the brows in the desired direction. Cover the brows again with the same plastic wrap, leaving them in place for about 5 to 8 minutes. Use a brow mapping tool to gently map and shape your natural brows. Apply a nourishing oil or keratin to the brows to condition them and bring them back to life. The result will be an amazing pair of clean, well-shaped brows that are not only visually appealing but also promote healthy hair growth. Thanks for watching. Bye, bestie.